What if some daily habits that seem normal, harmless, or even smart are actually slowly making you less intelligent? Because intelligence is not just about IQ. It depends on how you live, how you handle information, and how you train your brain to think clearly. Most people don't realize this, but they slowly weaken their thinking ability over time. Today, we will talk about everyday habits that quietly reduce your intelligence, steal your focus, weaken your memory, and destroy deep thinking. Let's begin. Habit 1. Always looking for distractions. You can't sit quietly for even 5 minutes. You check your phone, refresh your feed, open new tabs. Your brain has learned to run away from boredom, but this is a problem. Boredom is where intelligence grows. When the mind is quiet, it connects ideas, solves problems, and thinks creatively. But when you constantly feed your brain with reels, gossip, random videos, and endless scrolling, your brain becomes addicted to instant dopamine, not long focus. Look at history. No great idea was ever created in distraction. Smart people had quiet minds, and that is why they could think deeply. If you can't handle silence, you're not just losing focus, you're losing your ability to think deeply. Start small. When you are waiting in line or going for a walk, don't touch your phone. Let your mind relax. This is how real intelligence is rebuilt. Habit 2. Talking more and listening less. You may not notice it, but when you interrupt others, talk just to win, or assume you already know everything, you block your brain from learning new things. Smart people listen more and talk less because they know everyone has something to teach. Low intelligence is not a lack of knowledge, it is the refusal to accept new knowledge. The loudest person in the room is often the least self-aware. The quiet person is usually observing, processing, and connecting ideas. Listening makes you smarter. Next time you're in a conversation, don't rush to speak. Pause. Ask questions. The goal is not to sound intelligent. The goal is to become intelligent. Habit 3. Avoiding hard things. You start a new skill, book, or project, and the moment it feels difficult, you quit. This is not laziness, this is fear. Fear of looking stupid, fear of not being good enough. But the truth is, intelligence grows through struggle. The brain is like a muscle. If you don't challenge it, it won't grow stronger. If you always choose easy things, your mind becomes mentally weak. People who accept difficult tasks, even when they feel confused or fail, become sharper, smarter, and more capable over time. When you feel dumb, don't run away. That is the exact moment your brain is growing. Face discomfort instead of avoiding it. This is how real intelligence is built. Habit 4. Thinking you already know enough. This is the most dangerous habit. The moment you believe you understand life, that you don't need to learn more, and that you are already right, your growth stops. Curiosity dies. Deep reading stops. Understanding is replaced by opinions. Your thinking becomes narrow. Smart people never assume they are the smartest in the room. They stay curious like beginners. They keep asking questions and testing their beliefs. This humility keeps the mind alive. Ask yourself, when was the last time you changed your opinion about something important? If you can't remember, maybe you were not right. Maybe you have stopped growing. Final message. Low intelligence does not come from genes. It comes from habits. Distraction kills focus. Talking more and listening less kills learning. Avoiding hard things kills growth. Pride kills curiosity. If you start breaking even one of these habits, your intelligence will naturally increase, not by force, but by freedom. If this made you think, comment before scrolling. Which habit do you sometimes fall into? Like the video if you learned something, and subscribe for more real mindset and self-awareness content.